In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and apply a POS receipt design in Odoo 18. This is a handy skill that can make your customer interactions more personalized and professional. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Odoo official website. If you're new to Odoo, it's an open-source enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management system that helps manage business processes seamlessly. Once you've landed on their homepage, you'll see a straightforward interface. Look over to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your personal dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Odoo dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage various applications and modules offered by Odoo. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Point of Sale option. This is where you'll be configuring your receipt design. Within the Point of Sale module, the next step is to click on Configuration. You might find this option nestled among others on the toolbar. Once you're inside Configuration, you'll notice a range of settings you can adjust to suit your business needs better. Among these, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you will find all the adjustable features for the Point of Sale. Now, focus on finding the Bills and Receipts section. This section is crucial, as it houses the options for customizing various aspects related to the receipts that you provide to your customers. Click on it to open the receipt customization settings. Once inside the Bills and Receipts section, you should see an option labeled Custom Header and Footer. This feature allows you to tailor the receipt's appearance by adding unique headers and footers. Adding custom headers and footers lets you incorporate branding elements like your company logo, promotional messages, or any other information you want your customers to see. Click on this feature and take some time to craft headers and footers that best represent and communicate your brand's message. Remember, while designing your receipt, simplicity is key. You want to strike a balance between aesthetic appeal and functionality, ensuring all essential information is clearly communicated. Once you're satisfied with your design, make sure to save changes. Doing so will apply your new customized design to all future POS receipts generated in your Odoo system. And there you have it, a customized POS receipt design in Odoo 18 in just a few simple steps. By tailoring this often overlooked aspect of customer service, you add a personalized touch to your sales process, leaving your clients with a memorable impression of your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.